Happy morning, children.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Let's play passing the parcel game.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all ready?
We are ready.
Start.
Black cow, what do you see? I see a white cow under a tree.
Stop. Sanam.
I went to the jungle and saw tiger.
Very good. Start.
Black cow, what do you see?
Stop. Meenaj.
I went to the jungle and saw an elephant.
Very good. Start.
What do you see?
Stop.
I see.
Sumaya.
I went to a den and saw lion.
Very good. Start. Start.
Black crow, what do you
Stop.
see?
Stop. Sanjila.
I went to the burrow and saw a rabbit.
Very good. Start.
Black crow, what do
Stop.
you see?
Makbul.
I went to a pigsty and saw a pig.
Very good. Start.
Black crow, what do
Stop.
you see?
Malama.
I looked at a tall trees and saw eagle.
Very good.
Black crow, what do you see? I see the white cow under a tree.
Stop. Anif.
I
Near.
went near a beehive and saw a bee.
Very good. Start.
Black crow, what do you see? I see the white
Stop. Stop. Priyanka.
I went to a coop and saw ants.
Very good. Start.
Black crow, what do you see? I see the white cow under a
Stop.
tree.
Stop. Tamanna.